Justin Gay, seeds of Xanadu. This bed of arugula behind me, for whatever reason, is not looking good. It's yellowing, it's just discolored, it's stunted in some places. Kind of getting weedy in here anyway. I planted this row out right about a month and a half ago, and it is just not looking good. So I've got to take it out now. Tell you the truth, I probably should have taken this thing out about a week ago. This is actually the second bed of arugula that I've had to take out premature. What makes this suck is that I haven't even gotten one cut of arugula off of this bed yet. Again, this is the second time I've had to do this. I was actually hoping I was going to be able to get a pound or two of arugula off this bed so it wouldn't be all to loss, but what's a pound or two? Honestly, I can't even get a pound or two off of it right now that I'd be comfortable with, so I'm just going to go ahead and get out of here. The reason why we have to take it out right now is because I'm not going to be able to really utilize any of it. Right now, really all it's doing is just wasting space, to be honest with you. I'd much rather harvest this up right now.
If only all arugula came out this easy, even after you've harvested like 4 times, this would be pretty cool.
Seeing that I'm going to be putting on a pretty substantial thick layer of compost on this row anyway, I'm not really too concerned with all the extra residue of leaves and stuff on the bed. The main reason I want to clear those off is because the precision seeder that I use won't roll over the bed smooth enough. But now seeing that I'm going to be putting on a pretty thick layer of compost, it doesn't really matter. These leaves are just going to decompose under the new layer of compost that I'm going to be adding. Y'all gotta move, man. Ooh, I'm just nice with it. Love this new wheelbarrow. In fact, when I was gardening, I would always just leave the crop that I had just harvested or just pulled out of the ground, for the most part, right there on the bed where it lies. That way, all the nutrients that plant had taken up now will go back into the soil, as well as add a mulch layer. But now that I'm doing a different type of grow, gotta play by a different set of rules. Two more. Biggest reason for me to harvest this bed of arugula right now and not let it go any longer is because if I let it go to harvest, basically it's just going to cause a huge bottleneck in the wash, and I'm not even going to get out half of the poundage that I actually took off the bed. Most of the crop is just going to end up in compost anyway. So I might as well just go ahead, harvest it up, compost it, replant it, get a better crop, and somewhat count my losses, if you will. Yeah, so I gotta go ahead and do something that sucks. I'll be honest with you, this never gets easy. Sometimes you gotta be comfortable being uncomfortable, even when you ain't comfortable. I'm actually pretty sure that we'll get a good crop out of it the next time around. Talk soon, y'all. Peace.